Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to attach and fill the water tank and mop pad on DREAME D20 Plus. To do it, you can first of all, let's fill the water tank by opening the lid right here, then finding the water tank. This is the one. You'll find this little button here, and once you press on it, you can easily remove the water tank. Then you can open it right here in order to fill it in with water. I'll do it and I'll get back to you. And now once it's filled in, you should fill it in to about the, well, I didn't fill it in fully, you can see it, but you can fill it in as much as you want, just so that you make sure that it can be closed here properly. Then once it's done, you can put it in until it clicks. And now let's get the mopping pad. As you can see right here, and then you can just make sure that the mopping pad is installed. You can additionally wet it with water and it's going to give you a better result. I'm not going to do it now, but you can remove it by taking the Velcro, detaching the Velcro, and then you can slide it out like so. Now you can wet it with water, and once it's done, just slide it in. See, it's going in like that. And then attach it. Make sure it sits flat. You need to stretch it so that it sits nice and flat. And then you can put it in. You can either do it while the robot is in its station. You can click it in. You'll notice that it's just there stably. But if not, you can just remove the robot, flip it over if you feel like that's going to be more comfortable for you. And now you can just start mopping by setting it in the app. To start mopping, you'll need to go to the app and click on the button right here. Now you can change the cleaning mode and you can set it to vacuum, mop, vacuum and mop, and then you can adjust some settings. I'll do just the mop, and I can change the mop wetness from dry to wet. I'll leave it on standard. And then you can change the route to standard or intensive, sometimes also quick, but it cannot be set now because I'm running the task for the first time. So I'll set it on standard, and then you can begin by clicking on the clean button. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.